In this video, I'll show you how to update the firmware of your LG Smart TV. So how to do this? Very easy. You need to go into the settings. Here is the home page and the settings icon is this one over there. If you do not see it, you can always go on your remote control and the settings button on this one is located right over there. You see, it's the same exact icon. If you have a newer remote control, the settings buttons is looking like this one. So you need to click once on that button and then you're gonna have a menu appearing on the left side. Sometimes it's on the right side, but it's the same thing. All you have to do now is to use the down arrow on the remote control, go down, and you need to select all settings. It's the last option. Press enter on the remote, then go down and select support. And then the first option here, it's software update. Click on this. On top here, you're gonna see your software version. And right below here, check for updates. Click on this. Wait a few seconds. And if there is a software update, it will be displayed on the bottom screen here. And it will ask you if you want to update now. I suggest you do. So you're gonna go and press the yes button. Press enter here on the remote control. And right now it will give you a small update of the progress. It may take some time. If you have a slow Wi-Fi, it will take quite a lot of minutes to download the firmware and then to install it. So just be patient. I suggest you put the remote aside and come back after 10-15 minutes to see what happened. Usually it should be done by then. So thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.